Everyone. Today I will explain about the meshing inside. Okay. So as usual, I can go back to my elevation. So here I have already two levels. So I need to create some more levels here. Right. So I created one more level here. So I go back to my floor plan to create my grids. Okay. So I need to copy my grids multiple and I need to create horizontal and vertical. Okay. I need to change the names. So I copy it. Okay. Again, I can go back to my elevations. I just drag my levels and grid. So I need to create one more level here. Okay. So here, uh, I just want to create some column. So structural. So I need to choose the columns. Okay. So here it's showing the steel column, no problem. So I can choose it. So can go back to my column. I just place my columns here. Okay, so it's done. So I can go back to my east. So this is my columns I created. So let's go for three. Just create it up to my third level. Okay, this is just an example. Now I can go back to my level one. I'm choosing the meshing inside. Choose the in place mesh. Okay. Here I can choose my shape of rectangular. I can put it 600 offset. I can choose it somewhere here and here. Apply. Choose the solid form. Apply. So now I can just move it up to my top level. here, see this one, it's look like this. So better any shape you can move it, no problem, right? So I can up to here, I can move it to here. That's almost done, right? Okay. Now I will choose my mesh and I can add the floors. Okay. Now I can go back to choose my meshing inside and choose the wall. Can create here the face wall here and here. Okay. Now can go back to choose my roof. Just choose it the create roof and put it 150 offset. Create it like this. Level offset, that's right. Now did 100. Right. Now I can choose curtain system and apply the grid all. Wait, it's done here. It's almost done now. See now what I did, I choose the meshing inside and I create the all the elements through that one. See how I did this one. Okay. So this is the way we can use the meshing inside and we can create any type of element. Okay. So here you can able to see how I did this. Can go back to my section view. You can see it now. So this is the easiest way we can create any high risk building like this way. I hope you understand this. Thank you so much.